Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Transforming a front porch into a welcoming and charming space is easily achievable with a range of front porch decor ideas. A front porch services as the first glimpse of home's personality, so it's essential to infuse it with elements that reflect the homeowner's style and taste. One popular approach is to add comfortable outdoor seating, such as a cozy porch swing or set of stylish chairs, and a table providing a perfect spot for relaxation and socializing. Touch or color and texture, adding potted plants and hanging basket overflowing with vibrant outdoor rugs and doormats with appealing patterns can introduce a welcome touch to help define and porch space. Thoughtful decorative accents such as lanterns, street lights, and seasonal decorators can further elevate the porch charm with a careful blend of comfort, style, and personal touches. Front porch decor ideas can turn a simple entryway into an inviting and delightful retreat for homeowners and visitors alike. Thank you for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.